Hi guys, good morning. The car is running right now, going to the vascular clinic. I have an examination this morning about echogram Doppler. So it will be start on 10:45. Ang aking buhay dito sa Amerika, my health condition, so I need to have lots of examination this month of June about the heart, guys. This is the surrounding going to the clinic.
Pili din nila sol?
Dili, ya unahan pa.
Sunod na rin.
Ito ang mga mga building ng palapit sa yan yung building na yan. Yan ang Salami Clinic, guys, sa Alabama. Yan yan, dumating na kami mga guys. Ito ang kanyang clinic. So this is the parking area mga guys. So papunta na ako sa loob. Mag-prepare na ako ng aking examination, echogram, venous Doppler mga guys. Thank you for watching my channel. See you later, my friends.